So set string handles equal to driver dot
Get window handle.
get window handles. So set method, you have set the collection. You have to import from java.util package. Next. So once you get them, you have a collection. So in this collection now, this parent window is there and this child window is there. That means two window IDs are there. First, so you get the first window ID that is stored in the one variable, parent window variable. Second, you fetch second window ID stored in the child window ID variable. Okay, so let's see that. So I'll now use the iterator concept to iterate this collection. So iterate the collection using iterator method. See, collections again, you're using back. So iterator equal to collection name. What is the collection name? Handles. Dot iterator. So import this iterator from java.util package.
String.
Just give a string, okay, so that it will be easy for us. Now fetch the parent window. So it will be string parent ID equal to it dot next. So again you get one more fetch parent window ID. So string chid equal to it dot next. So now you got the parent window, now you got the child window. So how can you? So switch to the child window, reporter.log. Switch to the child window. So driver dot, switch to method dot, window method dot, child window. Now where your cursor with this line, where your cursor will go?
In the child window.
It will come to here.
Twitter.
From here, it is switching
to the Twitter
window.
That's the driver dot, switch to method dot, window method. And giving window, which window you want to go, it is clearly telling the window ID. So now I came here. Now, so you click on this login button. Okay. So maybe if you want, you wait for this Twitter title and all these things. Okay. You after switching, it's now controlling your child window now. So wait for the Twitter is title. So wait dot until
Accepted conditions.
expected conditions dot title. You can give title, whatever the title you have, Twitter, right? Twitter, okay? So now, after that, I need to click on this. So if you want, you can get the XPath or not, index based. Or I can take from this selectors hub login. But this is a very not good. This is not at all good. So see this entire class it is taking. That's not a good thing. So the thing is here two sign-ins are there. Here login is there. Here also login is there. You have to identify this one. See, we can take a relative expert of this. So this one, see, this is the easy. Can you mute? So if you're not talking, so please mute. See, now this one is identifying. So you can use this one. So click on reporter.log. So click on
Login.
login button.
Login button.
So driver dot
Expert. Path of
Dot click.
method.
So after clicking, what is happening? See that manually execute this. Now it is opening Twitter. So just we don't want anything, just type this. Or you wait for this, so sign in header. I'll just wait for the sign in header. You can copy. I'll wait. So wait dot until expected conditions. See, everywhere when you are navigating, you have to wait for the element.
Right.
That's a mandatory. The wait action is a very, very important. So by dot xpath value. Next, what is the next step? So you need to type something here. Just type something. So we have a autocomplete username is there. So I'll take a autocomplete username. That's enough, right? Yeah. Autocomplete username.
Name also is this.
So driver dot find element. So by dot xpath // star square bracket @ autocomplete equal to dot send keys. So type whatever you want. Okay. Next. So once you type here, nothing. That's enough. We don't want much. Whether you are doing action on the child window or not, then you close the child window. Close the child window. So how can you close the child window?
Driver dot close.
That's it. Simple. Driver dot close. But so if you want to bring cursor to parent window, what you need to do again?
Navigate.
No, madam. Between the windows,
Switched.
always a single concept.
Switched.
Oh, switch
This
Switch
one
to-
only.
switch
Always
to.
a single concept between the window switching.
Yeah.
You have to switch to, instead of parent window, you switch.
No, we cannot use navigate here.
No, you cannot use, because it is only one window you have. Only one window you have. It is closed. Now here, but cursor won't come here. You just bring the cursor here. That's it.
Okay.
You just bring the cursor with this switch to method.
Okay. PID.
That's it. Now you will be in the correct.
Mhm.
So this window. Now after that, I'm going to do, I'll clear this. So this input, there is a class input this one. Okay, this is the change now. Z date box input. I'll use Z date box input. I'll use this one. I'll write a export for this. First, identify the web element, that edit box. So driver dot date driver dot find element. So by dot next path
Double forward slash
star at the rate class.
class.
So, but class we are using partial. So you have to use a contains. Contains at the rate class, comma single quote. This one. So we don't want anything, just identification. Just to type something. Now clear the content. How can you clear the content?
Mhm.
How can you clear the content in the edit boxes?
Okay.
Not at all reading. Yes. This is the very big problem. Even step name itself, method name is there. That also you are not able to tell. That means you didn't read at all that method. If you read that method, you would have remembered that, right? That's what, madam. So without reading, and how it will be possible to tell me? Now interviews are very tough. I'm telling you frankly, and you are preparing like that. You never go to the interviews. I'm saying, you cannot crack even single interview also if you are preparing like this. So very tough interviews. That too very hard on Java. Very hard on Java. So programs, and if you do like this, and it's going to be your dream only. I'm frankly telling, that's your way of preparation is even 0.0001% also not there. That's a problem. Even 1% is there, it's okay. When you will reach 99%, tell me. Very bad your preparation. I don't like at all your preparation, madam. This is not good at all, not a good sign. I don't know why you are taking the course. I don't know. I think only Lavanya, only one person I think preparing, nobody else.
Maybe we will do some, we'll take some tests, sir, every week.
No, yes, you have to write. No, without methods, not possible, Lavanya. First, I'm saying, first you have to focus on methods only with the syntaxes. Purpose of that method should be in your mind. See, the scenario coming here. If you don't know this, how to type, which method to use type, what you will do? Exercise doesn't help you.
Yeah, that's why
clear the content. So this is the method you should know.
maybe we'll take some theory test first. If we know.
That's what you should do that.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it's no, it's not going to work out. Okay. So anyhow, I have completed this, but I want to see that. Can you see here? How can you fetch this typed value from the edit box? This is the interview question. can you fetch the typed value from edit box? These are all real questions they are going to ask you. That you are not, aware of this, this is going to be a bigger problem. So where it will store in this value attribute, it will store. Now, how can you fetch this value attribute? Which method you need to use?
Get attribute.
That's a say Lavanya given answer.
Yeah.
Get attribute of value. So simple, very, very simple. If you know the methods and it's a dead easy and you're not doing that, what you will do, see? In the scenarios, all the test case scenarios by methods only. That methods, even first day class methods also you're not reading. That's my problem. So most worry for me. First day class methods. And when you will read, madam, whether you haven't started at all, what? We're almost, next week, almost ending of the WebDriver. Next week, end of the WebDriver. And that too, your, even A also you didn't start. That's not a good sign at all. Nobody doing good job here. So I'm sorry to say this. I'm not happy at all with your batch. So some competition should be there between the people. And that is completely nil from your side. I don't know why. Why, madams? Somebody won't talk at all, even if they know also. Very, very bad. Only Lavanya will talk, that's it. How it will work out? She only get, you only, other people won't get knowledge. You're not talking. Already we told this several times. Okay. So anyhow, tomorrow I'll show you this. We'll just run this, okay? It won't take much time. So if it fails, we will fix them. So writing is one way, okay? One part. Designing the automation test case is one part. But after running, there is no guarantee it has to pass. You have to fix it. 3 failed. 3 passes, 1 failed. You have to resolve it. Why it is failing? See that. So where is how you can resolve this? First of all, how can you see this error? So where is this error? How you can read? First read. No such element exception. Please make a note all this. Which one is failed? Feed pop-up test failed. Read here. org.openkey.selenium. No such element exception. When you will get this? So no such element, unable to locate element. See how meaningful this exception. When you will get this no such element exception, whatever the object identification you have given, with this, if that is not able to recognize. So with this XPath, it's not able to recognize. That's why you're getting a no such element exception. Which line? How do you know where it is? See, you have to look for your package name, class name, method name, line number here. See how clear it is, line number. So this is the one, this is not correct at all. So I can say simply, I will write text function login, I think, right? It's a login.
Login button.
Let me use correct one. Login.
I small I.
Let's use this. So I'm going to use star so that it can be anything. I don't want to. So let me see. It's going to identify or not. So there are two. You can see, how do you know there are two?
Yeah.
See, it is showing two. So then you can wrap it up and put it in the index. That's it. See that? Now it will recognize only one. Where it is identifying? It is identifying a second one, I think. So you have to see, second one we want. So second one you want. So this is the one you have to identify. That's the one you have to give it. If two are there, you index it. So wrap this entire XPath and do this. So that's how to solve the. So now you got this one. But how to run only failed test case? So you go here. You go here. So where is your project? So go to the project. This is the one. Refresh and see there is a report or test output folder. So you can see here failed TestNG-failed.xml.
Yeah.
TestNG-failed.xml. The only failed test case you can run. See that? All the, so it will see that after class, before method, after method, only tweet popup. See the failed test case only pulled into a suit file. So right click on the suit file because you corrected now. Now you run as a suit, run as a TestNG suit. A suit file. This is the suit file order. You can see suit tag, test tag, classes tag, class tag below methods. Which methods of this class you want to run? Include this method, include this method, include all these methods. And then close the methods tag, close the class tag, close the classes tag, test tag, and suit tag closes. Say top suit tag opened and closing here. So test tag opened, closing here. Classes tag opened, closing here. So everything open tag should have a close tag. So now right click and run this as a TestNG test. Only this test case will run now. Instead of wasting time for others, and we are running only that one. That's it. See that? Now it passed. Okay.
Yes.
That's all about how we can so execute the failed test case. Also, I covered here how to run. This is one of the interview question. How can you run failed test case? You have to say project below when you run as a TestNG test. So under test output folder, there is a file called TestNG-failed.xml file. This file will automatically pull up which test cases are failed. Then once you correct the test cases, come here, right click, run as TestNG suite. Then the suite will run entire thing. Okay, so that's the how to run failed test cases also. This is another major interview question. So many interviews, this question asked. Okay, that's all for the day. Thank you. But